Hi, so I'm going to be talking about my candy lab. So the items that I used were 2 jars, food coloring, food flavoring, 2 sticks, 2 clothespins, cups, sugar of course, and a plate. Yes. The first thing I did was that I cleaned my jars so that dirt wouldn't get in, like dirt wasn't in there or like dust, and it wouldn't ruin the experiment. Then I wet the sticks so that the sugar would be able to stick to it. Then after I finished wetting the sticks, I rolled it into the sugar. This was actually very hard to do. I should have just poured it on. Then I put 2 cups of water. This cup I accidentally spilled all over the stove and I got in trouble. Then I put the sugar in the cups, which I had to do 4 times. Each 4 times I stirred after I put it in. After it dissolves from being boiled, I moved it away from the heat. Then I put the food flavoring, 1 teaspoon, into the pan. Then I put then I stirred it. Then I put food coloring, which I put blue and red because I wanted it to be a different color, and I wanted it to be purple. And then I stirred it. And it did look like purple, like in the pan. So, yeah. I did. This is quite nice stirring. An hour later, I then put the sugar into the jar, like the liquid into the jar, got the clothespins, put it on the stick, the covered stick with sugar, and I made sure that it was at least 1 inch, and then I covered it with ceramic. The next day, I checked the jars to see that nothing has grown. There was a little bit of crystals on the side. The next day, which was day 3, there was still nothing on there. There was more crystals on the jar than there was on the stick, which I didn't really understand. But I was hoping that the next day there would probably be another chance. Day 4. There was still no crystals, but since I had to leave, I couldn't take a video of it. The next day, I had to go to school, and I asked you what I should do about it. And you told the whole class that we should at least, that we couldn't turn it in without saying that it didn't work, that we had to at least turn in something, so I wanted to keep trying. So then, even though there was crystals around the area, I was sure that at least if I tried something else, like you said, it would probably work. So then, I decided to take the stick and put it in sugar. So the first thing I did was I put the 2 liquid sugars and put it into the pan so it can reboil. and then coat it with the sugar. The way I did it this time was a lot more easier than I did the last time. Then the next day, it actually grew something. Like, I was so happy that I wasn't practically going to get a bad grade. Then the next day, I grew more stuff. And that day was today. Well, not yeah. But it grew most stuff. So at least I actually had some crystals. And that is the final result. It had crystals. I did try. Uh, I probably should have started this project a lot earlier, but oh well. I still got crystals and it worked. Thank you for watching.